A weed is generally characterized as being a plant out of place. But what do you call it when that plant grows in multiple places of the yard? Say in all the flower beds, in the lawn, up all the trees, on the side of your house, in the gutters. We have another word for that kind of plant, and that's invasive. And today we're going to be talking about one such plant, Hedera helix, or English ivy. English ivy is native to Europe, Scandinavia, and certain parts of Russia, and it's hardy in zones 4 through 9, which means that it does very well in all 3 regions of North Carolina. English ivy prefers average to well-drained soils, but my experience with this green nightmare is that it's adaptable to all of the soil types across North Carolina, which is a general characteristic of many invasive plant species. Typically where you will find English ivy growing the best is in partly shaded to full shade areas. A lot of times you'll find it on the trunks of trees or smothering ground cover vegetation. English ivy is a plant that will easily grow as tall as 80 feet and spread out as far as 50 feet, and that's just one plant. English ivy is easily identified by the palmate, glossy, evergreen leaves, and of course the aggressive nature in which it spreads. If you really want to try English ivy, you can easily grow it in a container or even as a house plant. I just don't recommend planting it outside in the ground where it's not a matter of if, but when it starts to spread and take over other places. You can try and control English ivy if you have small areas by mechanical methods, so hand pulling or mowing. If you have larger established areas, about the only tool in our toolbox is the use of a broadleaf herbicide. If you do use broadleaf herbicides, it is suggested that you use a methylated seed oil or a spreader sticker in conjunction with that herbicide. Listen, I get it. Sometimes you just need a plant that works well in difficult to grow areas, but there are better alternatives to English ivy. For recommendations on those alternatives, check out the database or contact your local county cooperative extension office.